Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about a very special NFT called Bearded Buddies. Now, I'm going to go in great detail in this video and talk about the utility of this particular NFT, the team behind this particular NFT, the roadmap that they've created, and why I personally believe that this particular NFT has got what it takes to become one of the biggest NFTs in the industry. And remember, guys, you need to understand the utility of the project. You need to understand the team behind it before you start investing in that particular NFT. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any of the NFT videos that I'm making. So this is a Bearded Buddies NFT. I'm going to put the link of beardedbuddies.net in the description below. You can head over there and check it out. So this is not just a random another NFT. They are a long-lasting community with a clear collective goal to connect entrepreneurs, investors, and the best teams in the professional networking space centered around innovative projects. And you can clearly see that they understand what the aim and what the mission and what the objective of the NFT is. And this is something which is crucial for you to understand and see in an NFT before you invest, where you can clearly see where they're headed and what they want to do. You can join them on their Discord. You can follow them on Twitter, you can follow them on Instagram and on TikTok as well. And remember, Discord is the only place where you can get up-to-date and reliable information about any NFT besides my videos. So what is this NFT about? You can get notifications for Bearded Buddies, news and giveaways by subscribing over here and checking it out. The NFT itself, I feel it's not too amazing, but it's not too bad. They have done a good job in relations to it. And that is one of the reasons I feel that this can actually become one of the biggest NFTs, because compared to all the other NFTs, this really has a competitive advantage because it's taking a perspective, it's taking a strategy that's not usually used by NFT projects. Now, looking at the video, which is not available, as you can see, so this is something that they need to check out. They need to fix over here to make sure that this error doesn't come in. But I'm going to put the link of my video over here as well. So I'm going to suggest Bearded Buddies projects to make sure they can fix this video problem they have, and obviously use the different videos that people are making and going through and reviewing for individuals to make sure that they can actually get into and invest in good NFTs. Now, the Bearded Buddies is a 10,000 NFT collection that's located on the Ethereum blockchain smart contract. So you can clearly see they're using the Ethereum blockchain to run the 10,000 NFTs, and every token that is randomly generated using the Chainlink technology that makes every Bearded Buddy totally unique, which is very important. And the funds that are invested are 100% in projects, are represented by the community, which is very important to have the community on board. And I think Bearded Buddies understand the strategy that they need to implement to ensure that they have a proper method and strategy in place so they can scale their project, they can make it successful, and they can understand what the other projects are doing in the industry as well. Now, obviously, this is something an individual such as these have learned from the mistakes that have been done by other projects, so they're not going to repeat it. And that's the reason why I feel that they are here to help every member to grow with learning, creating, exploring, and members can enjoy from the list of benefits that are going to be available. And that is one of the things I liked about the Bearded Buddies, because they understand the dynamics of what the NFT space is about, what the Web 3.0 is about. Then they have a special Red Rose Clan. Now, the Red Rose Clan is made of 150 NFTs out of the 10,000 NFTs, where you have the RRC members that are distinguished by their red rose tattoo, an exotic and unique trait. And this trait is their own way into the clan. Being a part of this high-ranking group will get you even more benefits than you already have as being a Bearded Buddy. So the Red Rose Clan will receive early news, early invitations, automatically have high ranks, and votes on the founders' decisions. And the clan members will have a VIP access to the Bearded Buddy house. And obviously, the clan members will get a special gift at sold out as well. So looking at the benefits, from the IRL events, from the airdrops, from the secondary sales, from the exclusive network that they have, from funding the project, from different projects that's available, from different ranks that are available, you can clearly see that they have established a well thought out plan, implemented it, and executed it. And that is something that I feel is very important in any single project. You have to have a clear direction of where you're headed and how you need to reach your destination. Now, looking at the collection itself, like I said before, it's not very unique, but I think they've done a wonderful job in regards to the artwork, and you can really sense the soul in each one of the NFTs. So I will give them full marks for that. So I'll rate this particular NFT at least 8 out of 10 in my personal opinion. Now, looking at the roadmap, I think they could have done a better job. There are still areas that need improvement compared to other NFTs in the industry, and the roadmaps that I've actually looked at, I feel they lack at some moment over here. So definitely there's room for improvement, guys. And I will definitely recommend highly to the actual developers to go back to the sketching board and check their roadmap again to ensure that more information is shared with potential NFT buyers so they can actually make a well reasons and sound judgment that is not based on emotions, that are based on facts and figures. So I will not give the roadmap a high mark. I'm going to give it 5 out of 10 because I feel that there's definitely more room for improvement. But the team itself, this is something which is unique, guys. The team is very nice. And that is something that you need to understand because that really determines the success of a project or not. From the founder, from the graphic designers, from the engineers, the animators, and the social media individuals, they understand what strategy needs to be implemented. And obviously, once you understand the strategy, you will know exactly where you're headed and how you're headed there. The other thing I love is the fact that they've shared their details for their LinkedIn and their Twitter and their Instagram. So you can always head over and search these individuals and see for yourself who they are and what potential they have. Now, combining the team together, they have decades of experience under their belt. And that is clearly visible in the way that they've structured the website and the way they have actually created strategies for execution of their project. So I will give them definitely 9 out of 10 for their team and the representation of their team. And actually adding the social media handle was a very good move. So kudos to you guys. That is a good job that you guys have done. Now, looking at the mint price, that is going to be 0.08 Ethereum plus the gas fees on the pre-sale and 0.1 Ethereum plus the gas fees for the public sale. I feel the price is very adequate for the utility that is being provided by the project. So I definitely feel that they have done a wonderful job. So if you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. I'll be more than happy to guide you. I will also share my WhatsApp group details in the description, and the details going to be in the About Us section of my channel, Educational Network. You can always join our WhatsApp group where you will continuously get up-to-date information of new videos of what is happening in the crypto world, what is happening in the Web 3.0 to ensure that you don't miss any of that information. So guys, remember to subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Share the video with your friends and family so more people can find out about the Bearded Buddies NFT. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care.